Okay, so now let's say you have this image, like you see it's kind of transparent, and then you want to remove the background, but then because it's transparent, it becomes very difficult in a way to remove the background entirely from the image. But to do that, I'll show you a way that you can use to remove it. So what we do is just right click and then let's say comment. So search for your background eraser. So right click here and then select the background eraser tool. Nice. So with the background eraser tool selected, check this side at the top side and then select the middle one, this particular one, and let's set the limits to discontinuous. Discontinuous. Yeah. Let's set the limits to discontinuous, and with the tolerance, okay, let's go with let's try 87 and then let's see. So with that done, you can reduce or increase the size of the brush. Then gently paint over this way. Don't rush though, just take your time and then paint over it. So I think, yeah, something like this, okay. And as you can see, we've been able to remove the background even through our transparent object here. So now let's add a different background to see whether it worked. So to do that, left click this side and then add a solid color. You can choose to go with any color, but for me, I'll be going with a color like this. Then I'll place it at the back of our image over here. Then you can see that the new solid color that I created is passing through our transparent object, which means we made a good selection. So you can go ahead and then continue to change. You can use any color that you want because we've already removed the background through the transparent objects. So you can choose any background of your choice. Okay, guys, so this is how to remove, let's say, remove background from a transparent object in Adobe Photoshop. And if you like this video and then haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also, like, comment, and share with others.